Hello, you are back on the channel IT Repeat. In this video I want to tell you how to improve the camera of any smartphone on Android. And so, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing to do is go to Google Play Store and in the search section type Open Camera. Type Open Camera and press Find. You need this application. You see the page of this application and developer Mark Herman. Press Install. Wait a little bit while application will be installed on your device. You see there is a lot of downloads and a quite good review. This is how application will be on your smartphone. When application installed, press Open. Now you need to allow some permission. 1 permission, 2 permission. OK. The app has a lot of camera functions. For example, you can lock after focus. Put on place where you can fix after focus. Then click on 3 dots. And click on lock. Focus is locked. You see? Focus does not change. Then you can unlock focus. You can find autofocus, infinite focus, focus continuous picture and other settings. Also, you can choose exposition, locked exposition, point your camera over the object you want to shoot, click on the locked below, and now the lighting will not change. Also, you can adjust exposition, you can add or subtract, you can add or subtract exposition. This changes the illumination of your photo. You see? Besides all this, there are a bunch of different settings. You can find it if you click on the gear on the top of interface of your application. There is photo settings, a lot of different settings, panorama option, image format, image quality, video setting as well, video resolution, video format, maximum duration of video, and many others. Location settings and so on and so on. Many of these functions you do not find in standard application camera in your smartphone. That is all for today. If the video will be useful, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel and leave any comment. Thank you very much.